How to apply action in Photoshop. Well, that is what I'm going to show you guys, and it's a pretty quick and easy tutorial. So if this video helps you out, please do let me know in the comments, but let's get started right away. So in this video, I'll show you guys where to actually install actions and how to actually use them. So first of all, I will select a layer and I'll go to Window, and then over here you can see actions right over there. So once you have clicked on there will be this sort of like play button, like on YouTube, for example, right over here, where you can from now on just click on in order to open actions. Now you can make this a little bit bigger. And these are basically default actions, I believe, that there are in Photoshop. And in order, they're literally called default actions. And in order to add more of them, what you can actually do is click on these three lines and then go to load actions right over here. Once you do that, you will be brought to a folder. Now you know what this exact folder is, and you can copy the link, open up a new folder, and then you can, paste it in here. And now you know that this is the folder where you need to install the actions. Now in order to install them, just drag and drop them in here or copy and paste them in here. Then once you have these actions, now what can you actually do with them? So for example, you want to select your layer first where you want to apply an action to. And then you can select a specific action you, for example, have. Simply select it over here, just like that. And then you just want to click on this play button. And that will apply it for you, as you can see. Usually, most of the actions, if they are like actually well made, they'll duplicate your old layer. So you can just easily delete this one and redo it again. If you would like to apply something different. So for example, let's say this one, there we go. It duplicated the layer again. So that is kind of like it. That's how you apply actions, which is pretty cool. I hope this video helps you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and then I will see you next time.